Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to change the tips on your AirPods Pro. So it's pretty simple. Now, just grabbing the left one as an example here. So this right here, this is of course the ear tip. Now we have a soft rubber part, and then underneath that we have a hard part. So this is actually all one piece right here. So if you grab it, and then just pull it off like that, so the whole piece is going to come off here. Now, if you want to exchange that, within the box you have two other versions of it. So a larger and a smaller version. And these are all one piece. So this, for example, is the soft part, the rubber part, with the hard part underneath it. So yeah, you can exchange those if you want. Now, I'm just going to put on the default one. I'm just going to put this back on it. So all you do for that is just line it up and then push it back on. And you should hear it snap back in. So yeah guys, all there is to it.